Welcome to Bike Shift, your trusted source for the latest updates on bikes and scooters. In this video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 Honda Activa 7G, the next-generation scooter that aims to continue Activa's long-standing legacy of reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality. With updated styling, improved technology, and refined performance, the Activa 7G is designed for modern urban riders. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G comes with subtle yet noticeable design enhancements. The body panels look sharper, with cleaner lines that give the scooter a more premium appearance. Honda is expected to introduce new color options along with refreshed graphics to appeal to younger buyers. LED lighting is improved, with a more refined headlamp design and updated DRLs that enhance both visibility and road presence. Powering the Activa 7G is a refined 110 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, tuned for smoother acceleration and better efficiency. The engine focuses on low-end torque, making city riding effortless, especially in traffic. Honda's enhanced smart power technology helps deliver improved mileage while keeping emissions low, making the Activa 7G both economical and eco-friendly for daily use. Comfort remains one of the strongest points of the Activa 7G. The seat is well cushioned and designed for long rides without fatigue. Suspension tuning is improved to handle rough city roads more effectively. With a flat and spacious floorboard, riders get better legroom, while the overall balance of the scooter makes it easy to handle for riders of all ages. The 2026 Activa 7G is expected to feature a fully digital instrument cluster with real-time mileage, trip data, and service reminders. Honda's smart key system, external fuel filling, engine start-stop technology, and USB charging port add to everyday convenience. These features make the Activa 7G more modern while retaining its user-friendly nature. Safety is improved with a stronger frame and enhanced braking performance. The Activa 7G is likely to offer a combined braking system for better control during sudden stops. Wider tubeless tires provide improved grip and stability, especially on wet or uneven roads. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G is expected to be competitively priced, maintaining its value-for-money reputation. It is likely to launch with a slight price increase over the previous generation, justified by better features and improved refinement. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G continues to build on a trusted formula while adding modern upgrades that today's riders expect. With its reliable engine, improved comfort, smart features, and Honda's proven durability, the Activa 7G remains one of the strongest choices in the scooter segment. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more latest updates and detailed reviews.